Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:09 here in the middle part of the country on Friday. Happy Friday to you. It is January 20th, 2023. Here's your morning jog. Run the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with that crypto bankruptcy. Genesis, crypto lender, $3.3 billion bankruptcy. They lost some money to Three Arrows, lost some money to FTX, and suddenly they need bankruptcy protection as well, citing hundreds of millions of dollars of loans to those companies. And then, oh gosh, we owe more than 10,000 creditors, including hundreds of millions of dollars to select counterparties. Not so good. Here's the thing that worries me. This is tied to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the avenue that folks used to put Bitcoin into their IRAs, into their trading accounts. If I didn't want to open a crypto wallet and I wanted to put some crypto into my regular, let's call it classic stock / ETF portfolio, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is basically how I did it. If this contagion spills over into that product, I would expect Congress to start to get involved in a much more serious way in crypto. That costs retirees money, and that is not such a great thing. Google cutting 12,000 jobs, not a happy Friday for the tech company, just the latest to slash about 5% of its workforce. It seems like that's the happy number for all these tech companies. Just slash 5, 6, whatever. Let's do something like that to lower headcount and increase profitability. Let's show some cash flow in 2023 and get our stock valuation back up. Seems to be the playbook for everyone in the tech sector at this point. Not a bad idea. Again, all of these folks will be given tremendous severance packages and found the next round of ridiculously profitable tech companies. Last but not least, Schlumberger, or now it's called SLB. By the way, who's the naming consultant who decides, hey, we're going to take this 70-year-old name in a lot of cases and truncate it down to like 3 letters to sort of get rid of all the bad connotations with our name for the past 70 years? I'm sure these consultants are paid millions of dollars to decide to rename a lot of these conglomerates. Schlumberger, I'm going to call it by the old name, SLB, $1.63 billion in the latest quarter. Very good, 27% year-over-year growth. Turns out that when you have consistently high oil prices, folks will start to deploy drilling equipment when they can. Seeing rises in North America, which we have not seen in quite some time. If we see year-over-year growth in the Permian, which I think most analysts would argue, see, expect it to put a little bit of a lid on oil as U.S. volumes seek to displace Russian all around the world. If you want some additional info throughout the weekend, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Till then, you and your family, hope you have a fantastic Friday. I'm out.